In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a combination chart that shows more than two measures in Tableau. We're taking a hands-on approach, so I recommend opening your Tableau application alongside to follow along smoothly and get the most out of this tutorial. We'll dive right in, starting with launching the Tableau app. Once you have it open, proceed to access your worksheet. This is where all the magic will happen. Next, let's lay the foundation for our chart by dragging a dimension to the column shelf. A common dimension to use is region, as it provides a spatial aspect to differentiate our data points clearly. Now that we've got our column set up, it's time to grab our first measure, such as sales, and drag it to the row shelf. This action begins the process of building our visualization. To expand what we're visualizing, drag the measure names to the filters field. This is a crucial step as we will filter only the data relevant to our analysis. You'll see a pop-up window. Here, simply click None to unselect all the options. This makes it easier to manage what we want to include in our visualization. Now check the boxes for order quantity, profit, and shipping cost, if shipping cost is available in your data set. When you've got your desired measures selected, click OK to confirm and apply them to the filter. With that done, drag the measure values to the rows shelf right beside sales. This is essential in building a data-rich chart, offering multiple layers of information that will make our visualization more comprehensive. For our next step, look for the drop-down arrow and select Dual Axis. This setting will align our measure values and sales on the same visual axis, enhancing comparability. A neat trick here: to ensure both axes align perfectly, right-click on the values and select Synchronize Axis. This synchronizes your measures, allowing them to share the same scale. Key for accurate visual representation. We're almost there. Over on the marks card, make sure to click on Sum Sales. Change this mark type to an area chart. This gives your data a flowing, aesthetic appeal, which is particularly useful for showing cumulative data. Then switch the mark type for measure values to a bar chart. This distinct combination of chart types, area for sales and bar for other measures, will make your chart both visually striking and easy to interpret. And there you have it, a detailed multi-measure combination chart in Tableau. This kind of chart effectively communicates multiple data points in one view, making it powerful for analysis and presentation. Practice these steps a few times, and soon, creating combination charts will become second nature. Thank you for joining today, and happy data visualization.